The Earth is the home of mankind. Already on this blue planet. Lived for millions of years. Every time we step on this land, can't help but ask, how did the Earth form? Where did his origins begin? In search of the mystery of the birth of the Earth, over the past few hundred years, scientists have been arguing, until later models of planetary evolution were established. The veil on the origin of the Earth was gradually lifted. Today we will pass this program. Led us to understand the formation of the Earth. The whole process. Well known. The Sun is a giant fireball of plasma, mainly composed of hydrogen and hydrogen. Earth is a rocky planet. It's made of heavy elements. That is to say, the heavy elements that make up the Earth must have existed before the Sun formed. So where do these heavy elements come from? Now we will start a journey. An unprecedented journey through time. To the birth of the universe. To find the answer. About 13.80 billion years ago, the universe was just born. As space expands, temperature and density drop rapidly. At this point, energy begins to be converted into matter. Hydrogen is gradually formed, hydride. These elements, under the action of attractive forces, gather again, form the first stars. After the first stars were born in the universe, the universe had no heavy elements at this time. However, over time, the first generation of stars is passing through. Under the continuous drastic changes of harmful elements, he gradually generates more heavy elements, until they coalesce into iron. The core of the star can no longer resist its own attractive forces. Cause a supernova. Huge energy causes the remaining matter to be thrown around. Formed a beautiful nebula. The heavy elements of the star are also incorporated into it. Our Sun and Earth was born in this nebula. Now we speed up time to the birth of the solar system. About 4.60 billion years ago. Solar system. Just left over from the previous generation of stars. It's cold. Giant molecular cloud. Quietly floating in the universe. However, one day, a nearby star went supernova. Due to the huge shock wave, it penetrated the entire molecular cloud. Under tremendous disturbance, an ultradense region appears within the nebula. Attractive force makes all nebulae start exploring into ultradense regions. With continuous exploration, his central location, forming a high-density sphere. The temperature and pressure of high-density spheres rise sharply. When certain conditions are met, hydrogen undergoes heat and reaction, so that the high-density sphere is ignited. The Sun was born. After the Sun formed, there is no Earth here. Only the circular astrolabe around the new Sun. Just then, the once heavy elements are starting to come together. They collide and merge. The attractive force is gathering them. It took tens of thousands of years. The primitive Earth formed. When the Earth was just forming, it was lava. The world, however, has a planet the size of Mars, but came straight. Powerful impact sends massive amounts of debris into space and attract and combine on the periphery. Formation of ground jump system. Later, comets brought water to the Earth. Finally, after billions of years of evolution, became what we see today.